Hello everyone, welcome to Afro News South Africa. To support this channel, please kindly subscribe and share. Turn on the notification bell in order to get all out updates. Malesela Teffo, the infamous legal professional acknowledged for representing 4 of the guys accused of murdering former Bafana goalkeeper Senzo, has now opened a crook case of fraud towards the 2 judges who disbarred him. This comes after Teffo became struck from the role of advocates in September this year, following severe court cases from the Legal Practice Council, LPC, that covered disrespectful and contemptuous behavior in courtroom docket, deceptive the courtroom docket, assault, and the misappropriation of patron funds. In their judgment, Judge Thembi Bakako and Judge Justice Nyathi observed that Teffo lacked experience of responsibility, honesty, integrity, and now no longer met the edge of a match and right individual. The courtroom docket declared that Teffo had stolen cash from clients, lied to the courts, and established contemptuous conduct in courtroom docket. Despite this, Teffo tried to overturn the judgment with a rescission software, however later deserted it, and pursued a variant software instead. In this changed software, Teffo absurdly argues that there has been no records of the LPC submitting any software towards him, therefore, he become by no means disbarred, due to feasible duplication or mistakes of case numbers. This argument is primarily based totally at the emergence of instances with the equal case variety, 10,991 2021. Despite omitting that this situation variety become used with inside the software towards him, Teffo asserts that the variety belongs to a depend concerning the South African Taxi Development Finance and Malesela Teffo. As a result, he has requested the courtroom docket to put off his call from the disbarment judgment and update it with Malesela Teffo's call instead. It's clear that Teffo is greedy at straws and determined to try and salvage his profession and reputation. But allows now no longer neglect about that he filed an answering affidavit to the LPC software and additionally antagonistic at an individual. It's clear that Teffo is absolutely privy to the deserves of the case towards him and the disbarment judgment. This modern strive at fraud most effective in addition, demonstrates his loss of responsibility, honesty, and integrity. Mzansi, do you observe this attraction will stop properly for the debatable former advocate? Tell us what you observed. Again, Sophie Makona, who's the non-stop new editor for the South African Telecom Organization, SABC, published a tweet which seems to face sufficiently aside to be visible of placing South African legislator, Tony Njeni. In addition, the SABC new boss, Sophie Makona, sincerely took to digital diversion stage, especially Twitter, to reveal that she has conversed with the non-stop Get collectively leader of Eskom Andre de Ruyter, whilst they had been in Sharm el-Sheikh. Sophie Makona confirmed that the continuous head of Eskom Andre de Ruyter informed her that he may not depart because the leader of Eskom. In any case, the tweet of Sophie Makona naturally taken care of out of few manner to make Tony Njeni, his further the observable individual from the South African Preference Party, the African Public Congress, ANC, to return back weapon exploding. Additionally, the ANC veteran allows Sophie Makona in on that we can hard place him, if he is not leaving. To be sure, the new chief for the South African Telecom Association, SABC, Sophie Makona, published the going with tweet on her role Twitter.